Ge3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory. Let's see how to install Scipy. What is Scipy? Scipy is a scientific computation library. Scipy stands for Scientific Python. It provides more utility functions for optimization and signal processing. Like NumPy, Scipy is open source, so we can use it freely. Let's see how to install Scipy in Python. First open the web browser, type Python, enter. Welcome to python.org. Click this link. Downloads. Here you can see the latest version for Windows. So click download Python 3.10.2. The exe file is downloaded. Double click. So here, listen carefully. You want to tick this, add Python 3.10 to path. Then click customize installation. Then you want to check all these wants to be selected. Documentation, pipe, IDLE, Python test suite, Python launcher. Okay. Then click next. Then this also you want to select. All this want to selected. Then click install. So Python starts the installation. It's take 1 or 2 minutes time. Python installing all the library files. All the files will be installed. Before installing the Scipy, you want to install the Python. Then only you can install that Scipy. Scipy is very interesting one. Most of the mathematical operations and all calculated and done by using this Scipy library. So now setup was successful. Then click close. After install Python, come to the start button, type cmd command prompt. Now you can check the version of Python by typing py -- version, enter. Then you can know that Python version is 3.10.2. Then you want to check the version for pip. Pip file is very important. If you didn't install the pip, you can't install any library or modules. Okay, so let's see the version of pip. py space -m space pip -- version, enter. So it is installed. So pipe is 21.2.4. Pip version is okay. Now let us install that Scipy. So py -m pip install Scipy, enter. So Scipy is installed. Now let's execute one program and we can see that. You want to enter into the Python, so type Python, enter the program of Scipy. From Scipy, import as a keyword constants. Then next print constants dot py, then enter. So here you can check that there is a spelling mistake, so that the name error came. So now type print constants dot py, then enter. You got the output. Just 3.14159, like that you will get the output. So I hope you all understood the concept of Scipy, how to install Python, inside the Python how to install Scipy, and how you can execute the Scipy programs that you learn. You can try it. Thank you.